In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a nice free frame in Microsoft Word. Adding a frame, also known as a page border, is a simple way to make your document look more attractive and professional. Whether you're creating a certificate, a flyer, a school project, or a formal letter, a well-designed frame can instantly enhance the overall presentation. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure you're on the page where you want the frame to appear. If you want the border to apply to the entire document, you don't need to select anything. Just ensure your document is active. Next, go to the Design tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In some versions of Word, you may find this option under the Page Layout tab. Look for the Page Background group, then click on Page Borders. This will open the Borders and Shading dialog box where you can customize the frame for your page. Inside the dialog box, click on the Page Border tab if it's not already selected. Here, you'll see several setting options. You can choose Box to create a simple rectangular frame around your page. On the left side, you'll also see different styles, such as solid lines, dotted lines, or double lines. Select a style that matches the look you want. You can adjust the color of the border to give it a more creative appearance. For example, choosing a subtle gray works well for professional documents, while brighter colors are great for invitations or certificates. You can also change the width of the border line to make it thinner or thicker depending on your design preference. If you want something more decorative, use the Art drop-down menu. This section offers a variety of free decorative border designs such as stars, patterns, or themed graphics. Select the one you like and you'll see a preview of how it looks around your page. Before applying the frame, check the Apply To option at the bottom. You can choose to apply the border to the whole document, a specific section, or just the first page. Once everything looks good in the preview, click OK to insert the frame. Your document will now display a clean and attractive border. If you ever want to modify or remove it, simply return to Page Borders and adjust the settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.